Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a STIHL blower. It's a BR700 blower. The throttle assembly is right here. Well, it broke or come unhooked because when you push this, it don't do nothing. And I got a whole new harness for it. Comes with a new throttle cable, and for the kill switch for the BR700's STIHL numbers of 4282-180-1107C for these blowers. So we're gonna install it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's take this back cover off because this wire goes through here. We got some screws heading down here. Well, that's kind of loose. Do some blow some of the stuff off here. Here's the wire. I'm gonna get the air gun and blow all this out. That's just full of junk. Then we gotta get to the throttle cable on the other side. I'm gonna take the air filter box off, it looks like. I'm gonna blow that out real quick so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, I blew it off a little bit so I can see there's some more screws to be taken out. Okay, now I get to the throttle cable now. There we go. Okay, we got that part off. So to make this simple, we're going to put this new cable and wire set in here and button this all up. Then we'll work on the trigger then. After that, I think it'll be a lot easier doing it that way. There's a little hook assembly. Hook it onto the side. We're going to slide it off the old one. And we got it on the new one, so we won't have to worry about that. Hooks on this little side piece there. Put it underneath this fuel line so we don't pinch the fuel line. There we go. I'll run these wires back through here before them are kind of corroded on that coil. I'll take a wire brush and clean them so they have good contact. Okay, it's insulated one. Went on that one, and there we go. Maybe I'll hold off on that till we get that cover back on. You know what I'm gonna change that plug. Well, we got it right there. CMR 6H. Get the gap set on it. Go ahead and put her in. Figure it's a lot easier doing it this way than wait till we get it all back together. Okay. Binding on something here. There we go. Okay, now we can do the control on the handle. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this trigger apart here. Okay. I use like a little hook like this, try bringing this up. There we go. A little problem here. So what I'm gonna have to do is just cut these ends off and splice some two wires together. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them two wires off and splice them and solder them together, and we'll put her back together again. Okay, I soldered the wires together and taped them up, so we'd use that little switch right there. Push these wires down in these slots for them. There's a flat spot on that piece there and a flat spot right there. Put the spring back on. I'll get a pain in the butt putting it back on that. Yeah, put the screw in on top. Kind of hold it together. Well, let's see if it works now. The old cable, the cable inside of that insulated cable was broke because you squeeze the trigger and it went moved the cable on the carburetor. Well, the next step is to start it up, make sure everything works on it. Okay, put her on choke. Had it locked and wide open. Boy, I blew everything off the table. That thing's powerful. Holy cow. That thing is powerful. Well, if you have a blower like this and your cable is broke, I hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon.